If you ask me, what is that one thing that can ensure overall wellness and is free of cost as well? For me, that would be a good night's sleep. Sleep is something that every single person can easily afford without investing any money. All we need to do is giving our body 7 to 8 hours of deep sleep every single night, and then when we wake up in the morning, our body will thank us. Trust me, my body thanks me whenever I wake up in the morning after completing 7 hours of deep sleep at night. In this video, I'll be sharing what are the benefits that our body gets from a good night's sleep and 5 simple yet effective hacks that can improve our sleep quality that worked for me as well. Hi, I'm Aditi. I'm certified in food and nutrition and currently pursuing masters in nutrition science. My goal? Well, it is to make people believe that health should be their topmost priority, which can be achieved through simple lifestyle changes in order to ensure overall wellness. Good quality of sleep provides us with a lot of benefits like repairing our cells and tissues, building up muscles, strengthening our immune system, and keeping our organs healthy by enhancing their functions. Good sleep is also crucial for our cognitive functions like thinking, memorizing, solving problems, and many more. A good night's sleep also regulates our hormones and increases our daily productivity. So, overall, in order to keep ourselves healthy and rejuvenated throughout the whole day, we should make sure that we are giving our body adequate amount of sleep every single night. And the amount should be according to our body requirement. For example, I make sure that I get 7 hours of deep sleep every single night so that when I wake up the very next morning, I feel completely rested and refreshed. So, listen to your body's signal and decide accordingly how much deep sleep does your body actually require. Now, I'm going to explain 5 simple hacks that worked for me like a magic pill. These 5 hacks actually improved my sleep quality, and now I can sleep like a baby. So, let's talk about these 5 hacks one by one in more detail. Let's talk about the first hack, that is switching off gadgets 2 to 3 hours before going to sleep. Let's suppose if I'm going to sleep at 11 pm, then I will make sure that I'm switching off all my gadgets like mobile phones and laptop exactly at 9 pm. Now, what will I do in that interval of 2 hours? I might read a book or talk to my family members or friends, or maybe I'll just sit quietly and think of the events that happened throughout the day. Sometimes during night, I have to work on my laptop right before going to sleep. Now, what do I do in that condition? Well, I wear a blue lens which will not allow the blue light that is coming from the laptop, which can actually disrupt my sleep quality. So, switching off all the gadgets 2 to 3 hours before going to sleep, and if working on laptop is really needed, then make sure to wear a blue lens while working at night. The second hack is keeping our sleeping environment dark and cool. Before we are going to sleep, we should make sure that our sleeping environment is completely dark in such a way that not even a single ray of light is coming inside our bedroom. What we can do if the light is coming inside our room? Well, we can either use a curtain to block the outside source of light, or we can use an eye mask in order to keep our eyes away from the source of light, or we can use a soft cloth or a towel to roll it around our eyes. Also, we should make sure that the temperature of our bedroom is cool enough so that we can easily get into our sleep. The room temperature should be around 17 to 28 degrees Celsius in order to optimize our sleep quality. So, dark room and cool temperature, perfect mixture to improve our sleep quality at night. The third hack that can improve our sleep quality is taking a warm bath before going to bed. Research suggests that if we are taking a warm bath 1 to 2 hours before going to sleep, then it can actually improve the quality of our sleep. Warm bath actually drops our core body temperature, which in result provides our body relaxation and calmness. So that's another hack that can improve our sleep quality. Now comes the fourth hack, which is actually my favorite one. That is practicing breathing exercise. Right before going to sleep at night, I make sure that I practice this particular breathing technique for almost 7 to 8 times. That is 4-7-8 breathing exercise. In this exercise, all we need to do is we have to inhale for 4 seconds through our nose, then take a pause for 7 seconds and then exhale through the mouth for 8 seconds. These deep breathing exercise not only enhanced my sleep quality but also provides me complete relaxation. So do practice this breathing exercise right before going to sleep, and do let me know in the comment section, did this breathing exercise work for you or not? The fifth and the last hack is getting natural light exposure in the morning. I went through a research paper which suggests that if we are exposing ourselves to the sunlight in the morning time, then it can directly enhance our sleep quality at night. How? Well, the natural light can actually regulate our biological clock, that is circadian rhythm, which will make it easier to fall asleep at night. So, spend at least 10 to 15 minutes in the morning in the nature in order to improve the sleep quality, which will eventually improve our overall health as well. So, following these 5 hacks has actually helped me in improving my sleep quality every single night, which is mainly having good quality as well as good quantity of sleep. And as we all know, good quality sleep is itself a hack in order to improve our overall health and wellness. So, let's conclude this video by saying this, that sleep is actually vital for our overall health, and we should ensure that we are having good quality as well as good quantity of sleep every single night. By following these 5 hacks, we can easily improve our sleep quality and avoid all those problems that are disrupting our sleep pattern. And we can easily enhance our sleep quality and overall well-being as well. What are the problems that you are facing while you are going to sleep? Is the quality of your sleep good or bad? What are the ways in which you are managing your sleep quality? And when you wake up in the morning, do you feel completely refreshed or rested? I would really be interested in knowing the answers to these questions in the comment section below. If you found this video useful, then do like this video and share it with your friends and family who also wants to improve their sleep quality as well. If you want more such videos, then do subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to be updated. And I'll see you in the next video. Until then, peace out, and remember, wellness over everything. Thanks for watching.